Frank said.
Frank.
Frank said this past summer I went to the Canary Islands, and guess what? The Canary Islands are covered with blank.
Canary dew.
Some canary do and some canary don't. He says, canary do.
Datey do, whatever that guy's name. Datey do, I never heard of canary. Do-do.
Do-do. There's one. Okay, Brett.
Doo-dah, doo-dah.
That's two.
Canary doo-dah.
3-2 is the score. One more to tie. Charles.
Bird dodo.
Tie score. One more wins the game. What do you say there, Elizabeth?
Well, I said bird droppings or doo-doo.
All right, what do you have, Richard and Fanny? Come on down. Nice try. Hello there. My goodness, this guy's won 7 games now. Can you believe that? 7 games.